Hello, this is Kent Hoggett from Rochester College. One novelist tells of Irish peasants in the Depression who were set to work building roads. For the time, everything went wonderfully. The men were glad to have jobs and sang songs as they worked, but after a while they discovered that the roads they were building led nowhere, just expired in peat moss, or just ended. As that truth gradually dawned on them, they grew restless and stopped singing. In the words of the novelist, the roads to nowhere are difficult to build. For a man to work well and to sing as he works, there must be an end in view. You've likely heard the definition of insanity, and that is doing things the same way you've always done them and expecting different results. Nothing wrong with doing the same thing over and over if the goal is right. A question we might consider is, if you do the same thing every day the rest of your life as you do today, what will be at the end of the road? Decide today to do the right activity, no matter how small. So at the end of the road of your life, you will hear the Lord say, "Well done, good and faithful servant." And may you find direction on this path today as you serve the Lord.